Welcome back to the G.O.A.T channel. We are here with our fourth unboxing. Monthly subscription Basic Man. I think it's usually $19.99 a month. You get a shirt, underwear, and socks. And first one was half off, $10. I paid $10 for this. We'll see if it's worth it. We'll open it right now. Also, if I ever get to 1,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. That's just for if I get some subscribers, appreciate it if you subscribe. Like the videos, all that good stuff. Also, I got a blog called The Traveling Church if you want to check that out. But let's get back to the Basic Man. You get shirt, underwear, and socks. First things first, Basic Man socks. The size 8 to 12 on the back. We got our Basic Man t-shirt, yellow. Yellow's not really my color, but if it's soft and feels nice, I'm definitely gonna wear it. I'll open that in just a second. Let's go ahead and get our underwear out. I read somewhere these were supposed to be like a bamboo underwear. Yeah, it says 95% bamboo. Those are some nice underwear. Definitely like those. The color's making it look kind of blue from my phone, but they're kind of like a tealish aqua color. Go ahead and get the shirt out. Just a plain yellow shirt. This is 100% cotton. That feels nice. Machine washed cold. So those are 3 pieces. So that's what you get. You get underwear, a shirt, and socks every month for $20. You get your first one for about $10, $11, I think. I mean, for $11, that's definitely stuff I'm going to use. You have to have socks, you have to have underwear, you have to have t-shirts. So I kind of like the Basic Man. They're ideal. $20 seems like a little much, but the way they feel right now, we'll see after they wash them, but the way they feel right now, I think that's $20 wouldn't be like super, out of range, out of budget to get, the essentials delivered every month. But this is the Basic Man, so you can look them up if you want to check it out. It'll be $10. Also, if you like the video, again, subscribe, share with your friends, and